Hello and welcome to Spotlight. Now, unsurprisingly, with MRO Middle East on the horizon, we're focusing on the maintenance, repair and overhaul market. This segment really does spawn global players, and we're meeting one of those today. FL Technics might well be headquartered in Vilnius, Lithuania, but the company has base maintenance facilities in Lithuania, Indonesia, China, and provides line maintenance support across Europe, Africa, Asia Pacific and the CIS states. But it also has a great regional presence here in the Middle East. And I'm joined on the line now by Zilvinas Lapinskas, the CEO of FL Technics. Mr. Lapinskas, welcome to the programme. Now, tell us exactly what it is FL Technics is providing.
We are a global MRO service provider, having hangars in Lithuania, Vilnius, Kaunas, having hangars in Asia Pacific, in Jakarta, having hangars in China, having hangars in UK, in Stansted Airport and Preston, Scotland. We have more than 70 line maintenance stations network all around the world. We have more than 500 customers who are buying spare parts from us. We provide technical training. We do DOA. We provide full engineering support for deliveries. We provide camo services. So, I mean that airlines or leasing companies can get all the services they need to support their fleet. And we are a global provider, and this, we are expanding and we're growing very fast.
Now, as I said just now, you've got a growing regional presence here in the Middle East. So just tell me a little bit about what you're doing in this part of the world.
If I correctly remember, 7 or 8 years ago, we opened our sales representative office in Thailand, in Bangkok. To keep our salespeople in that region, to go around the region and sell our services. And now we made the same step in the Middle East. We opened the sales office in Dubai, and we won a tender to open a line maintenance station in Abu Dhabi for Wizz Air. So now our presence in the Middle East is growing, and we see once again that being close to the customers helps a lot for us and for the customers.
So you have Wizz Air in Abu Dhabi, which is growing quite significantly at the moment. What about other Middle East airlines? Because we know that Emirates has its engineering. We know Saudia, for example, has a great MRO business on there. Are you winning any of that business?
Oh, yes, of course. I can proudly say that we've got Saudi Airlines in our hangars in Kaunas. We've got a contract with them. It's quite a way to fly to them to our hangars, but we provide services where they're happy with that, and that's great. And I think it's just the beginning, because we are as an independent MRO provider, we have to be very, very flexible, very reactive, or more proactive approach to the customers, and they like to work with us because being independent MRO provider, it means that you have to fight for your customers every day. So you have really to be good in all the aspects of the MRO service provider.
Now, we've heard the horror stories at the moment about problems in the supply chain, skill shortage of technicians and engineers, and just not enough MRO capacity to help the rebuilding of the fleets after COVID. How is FL Technics managing this, and how do you see that future going for the supply chain and the workforces you need?
The labor challenge for technicians, lack of technicians, yes, is the big problem. I would say the biggest problem is in UK because of Brexit and all this, situation that you cannot bring engineers, or it takes a long period of time to get all the approvals and so on. But speaking about Middle East, speaking about Europe or Asia Pacific, we are not facing so big problems. Yes, we would like to have more people in our line maintenance stations or base maintenance facilities, but how to say, I would say it's not a tragedy, it's manageable. and having a technical training, strong department within the company, we are working hard on preparing new technicians.
Now we're going to be, of course, at the MRO Middle East in 1st and 2nd of March, and you're going to be there. What are you hoping to get from being at an event like that?
To meet our existing customers and to meet new customers, and then present that now we are local guys having the office in Dubai, having the line maintenance stations in Abu Dhabi, so the strategy to be close to the customer always working good. We have experience with this, so the recovery of the aviation, is much faster than everybody expected after the COVID. And as I say, everybody needs everything. Need assets, engines, landing gears, slots, line maintenance providers, and so on and so forth. So you have to be in place to meet the customer, listen to their need, and provide the good solution.
So don't forget, MRO Middle East is the 1st and 2nd of March. FL Technic will be there. We'll be there too, and we look forward to seeing you there. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.